Put it in. The writing on the left side. Beep. Okay.
200.
Oh, now I have 200 on there.
Yes.
Credit.
Yeah.
You always load credit.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so this one was electricity, and that's next to the elevator here. Just next to the elevator is electricity. Water is here. It's a touch card.
So again?
And now I'm paying everything now.
Yes, everything is done. So just pay.
I mean now I have to pay for starting now I have to pay for my things. Okay. Yeah. But what do I do? Let's say if I leave for 3 months and I want to shut it off.
محمود مثلا سافر وسافر من 3 شهور وعايز كله
عايز كله هنا ماتش على كيلو حالا.
Oh. Okay. Cool. And the water I don't need to shut off.
water there.
But how to...
Here.
Oh, that's off?
Yes.
Down is off, to the right is on.
لا كده
اقفل.
كده اقفل.
كده ما فيش ما يجوز.
Is this closed? And when like this it's open.
And it's flat, it's open.
Yeah.
Horizontal.
Yeah. Okay.
So right now it's open.
Right now it is open. Yeah, okay. Do you have any questions more?
Yeah. How many other apartments are finished? Right.
A lot, I don't know. I don't have time to...
Yeah, okay. Also, okay. Yeah.
Cookies, so I don't...
Okay. Cool. But not too many, yeah.
No, no.
It's okay.
We just started to
Okay.
to do.
Okay, okay.
But there are so many in building B or first floor. I don't know, maybe total 15
Oh, yeah?
or
Okay.
20. We're just starting to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah? People just start to receive apartment, just start to do
Yeah.
it.
304 دي فين؟
Okay, do you need anything else?
No, it's okay.
So I will go for another client.
Yeah, I come with you. Do you have the key? Yeah, they have
If
the
you
key.
want to wait me to ask something, you can wait because I will be also with other clients waiting for me.
Yeah, I have to go. I have to go now anyway. 5 minutes, you know.
Yeah. I mean, you have to ask something about apartments or anything?
Just real quick, yeah. Maybe if you have 5 minutes, but not here. If we can go, if you want.
تحت بقول لك تحت.
احنا نازلين معاها 6 4